Public School, Kanyapur, Asansol. Respected Sir Sanjoy Majumdar, Principal, GV Public School, HCL Group, Naranpur. Respected Madam Mondira De, Principal, GV Public School, Raniganj. Respected Sir Ravindra Singh, Principal, GV Public School, ECL, Pandaveshwar. Respected Sir Gangadhar Mukhopadhyay, Head of the institution, GV Public School, Nimcha. Respected Sir Amit Kumar Dash, Principal, GV Model School, KSTP, Asansol. Respected Madam Bornali Chattopadhyay, Head of GV Model School, Shankarpur. Respected Madam Priyanka Kormukar, Head of GV Public School, Dhaka. Respected Madam Shujata Pathak Rai, Head of GV Public School, Shantali. Respected Sir Atish Chandra Mukherjee, Teacher in Charge, GV Public School, MTPS, Mejia. To felicitate the outstanding performance of our students in the SSE 2024 by securing 90% and above.
সেটাই কখন 12:30 থেকে একটা পাঞ্জাবি পরে আছে যারা তাও এই সমস্ত নাচের ড্রেস করছে মানে
May I request
আমাদের বাচ্চাগুলো
সুতির পাঞ্জাবি
ভেতরে একটা গেঞ্জি
to escort
যাবে আমি ওটাই টেনশন করছি
Madam Mondira De, Principal, GV Public School, Running. I request our respected Madam Principal to escort 2%, Oyantika Kundu 96.2%, Ognisha Mondol 96.2%, Rishabh Pal 96.2%, Saurabh Shatpati 96%, IB Roy 95.8%, Ryan Shatpati 95.8%, Anushma Roy 95.4%, Shatavarno Mondol 95.2%, Swatiki Pathak 94.8%, Shaptarshi Pal 94.8%, Shivangi Bhattacharya 94.4%, Shandik Chatterjee 94.4%, Devapriya Kundu 94.2%, Srijan Roy 94%, Shoham Patro 93.8%, Shomallo Ghosh 93.6%, Obik Banerjee 93.2%, Krishnachi Acharya 93.2%,